mirror halves. Look at the pictures given below. Does the dotted line divide each picture into two similar mirror halves? Means what is mirror half? Mirror halves means a picture which can be divided exactly into two parts. Means if a line passing through a figure and it is dividing the figure exactly into two halves, that is called mirror halves. See, this line is passing through this triangle and it is dividing this triangle into exactly two parts. So this is called a mirror half. Okay, each part is a mirror half of the other one. So you have to find out of these figures how many of these are in the mirror halves. See, this one is in the mirror half exactly into two parts, so we'll put a tick here. This one is also into mirror half, it is exactly into two parts, put a tick here. This one is not into the mirror halves, this is smaller, this is bigger, so this will put a tick here. This one is also into the mirror half, so we'll put a tick over here. Another one, this one is also divided into exactly two parts, so we'll put a tick here. This figure, this tree figure is not divided into two parts. This is another one, this is another one picture, so we'll put a cross here. This B is exactly divided into two parts. This line is dividing this B into exactly two parts, so we'll put a tick over here. This T is also divided into exactly two parts, so we'll put a tick here. This figure is not into two parts. This is a small one, this is a bigger one, so we'll put a cross over here. Figure is also not divided into equal two parts because this is a different size, this is a different size, we'll put a cross here. This shape is also divided exactly into two parts. This line is dividing this shape into exactly two parts, so put a cross tick here. So this M is also divided into exactly two parts, so put a tick here. This triangle is also divided into exactly two parts, we'll put a tick here. This figure is also into two parts. This figure is not divided into two parts. This is the bigger one, this is the smaller one, we'll put a cross here. This figure is divided by this line exactly into two parts, so we will put a tick over here. This is also exactly, and this is also divided exactly into two parts. So these are the figures which are divided exactly into mirror halves. These figures are divided into mirror halves. Now so these figures are equally divided into two parts. It is roughly drawn with a hand, so a little bit here and there may be there, but these figures are exactly into mirror halves. On the next page, this is an exercise. Using a dotted line, can you divide the following pictures into two similar halves? Means these pictures have been given to you. You have to use a dotted line and you can divide these figures into exactly two halves. So we'll try. We have to draw a dotted line in such a manner, whether it is vertically or horizontally, that it is dividing. You can draw a line vertically or horizontally, any which way you can draw a line, but condition is this, that line should divide the figure into exactly two halves. Here see, if I am drawing a horizontal line, it will not divide the figure into two halves. If I am drawing a vertical line here, so it will divide the, and so if I am drawing a vertical line here, it will divide this figure into exactly two halves. This figure cannot be divided into two halves. If I am drawing vertical line, it will not divide into two halves. If I am drawing a horizontal line, it will not divide the figure into two halves. This cup can also not be divided, because if I am drawing this line in this way, it will not divide the cup into two halves. If I am drawing line in this way, it will not divide the cup into the two halves. See, in this figure, if you drawing a line like this, it will not divide the figure into exactly two halves. So I am drawing a vertical line.